Can you listen and type? Because I found 4 transcription companies that will pay you a minimum of $800 per month for just typing with your smartphone or your computer. So transcription is one of the easiest way to make money online today if you're just getting started. And in today's video, I want to show you 4 transcription companies that will employ you today to work for them. All you need is to listen to audio or video file. Then you write down whatever you hear the voice say in the video. And you make a whopping $800 per month just working few hours from the comfort of your bedroom. Sounds too good to be true, right? Then look at this. So this company will pay you a minimum of $800 per month if you spend 8 hours a day working. All you need to get started is a good English comprehension, ability to interpret conversations, ability to apply context and identify mistakes, then a verified PayPal account, a laptop or a desktop computer with internet connection, and finally a headset. And these companies employ from all over the world. Interestingly, a good number of them are employing right now. So at the end of this video, I'm going to show you where to get the link, where you're clicking on, go on to make your applications. Once you're accepted, you start earning money just typing. Transcription is basically listening to audio or video file and you write down whatever you hear the voice say in that clip. If you stay with me to the end of this video, I am going to tell you a free app that will help you do this work. What you need to do is just to turn on this app and then play this audio or video file. This app automatically transcribes this work for you. You just go on to edit it and then you submit the file. You get paid for this simple task. The third and the fourth transcription company on my list are my favorite. That's because they employ world over. At the moment, they are currently employing and the pay rate is high. So you want to watch this video from beginning to the end. Don't skip any part so you get every single detail I'm about to share with you in this video. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chamaka. On this channel, we talk all things money. So if you're looking for videos on how to make money online, working from the comfort of your bedroom, you're onto the right channel, you are watching the right video. First transcription company on my list is Scribble. Scribble is a reliable transcription company that is paying people every single day for typing with just their computer. So Scribble pay rate is high and they employ world over. They are constantly looking for transcribers who join their team. Now, this is the website I'm looking at right now, and they have worked with a lot of notable companies and brands over the years. Like I said, the pay rate is high. Basically, it takes 3 simple steps to become a transcriptionist on this platform. The first step is to create a free account. The second step is to set up a PayPal account. So you need to have a functional PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account yet, I made this video here showing you step by step how to create a PayPal account, irrespective of where you live in the world. So you need to watch this video after this to learn how to create a free PayPal account for yourself. The third step is to go on and take the short transcription test. The test isn't that difficult and you also get a guide on what is expected of you to do. So you need to download this guide here and then study it, go for the test, and once you pass it, you are ready to start making money. To get started, all you need is scroll down to this place, click on this button that says Get Started, and you create a free account for yourself. We provide automated transcript to save you around 60% of the typing effort. This is one of the things I love so much about Scribble. Now, they already provided automated transcript for you. All you basically do is to listen, then you go on to correct the errors you found in the text. Finally, you get paid. So you earn between $5 to $20 per audio hour paid into your verified PayPal account. As a beginner, you earn up to $400 per hour. Then as an intermediate, your earning doubles to $800. As advanced transcriber, you earn up to $1,600 per month. Their requirement isn't that difficult, so it's something I'm sure you can do if you give it your time. Link to create account is in the description of this. Moving on to the next one is one of the easiest transcription jobs you can get right now as a beginner. On this platform, you send in your application and within 48 hours, you get to know whether you are accepted or not. So on this platform, you not only get a transcription job, you also get translation jobs. So if you can transcribe as well as translate, you have higher chances of making a lot of money. There are just 4 simple steps that are required here. The first is to download the guide. This guide contains every single details you need to know about the program, including how much you get paid and the kind of work that's expected of you. The second step would be to take a short test. So this is actually to test you on the thing you're going to do on this platform once you get accepted. And actually, it's an offline test. So you're going to download the test, do it. Once you complete, the third step would be to upload it on their website, and then in 48 hours, guys, 48 hours, you get the decision. And I'm very confident that if you study the guide, you're definitely going to put up a strong application and you are ready to start making money just typing with your gadgets. What you need to do would be to come over here and click on this button that says be a transcriber. Earn money while working from home. So what are the basic requirements to work on this platform? You need to have a good command of English language. You also need to have a computer and be the kind of person that pays attention to details. The link to sign up is contained in the description. If you also have more questions regarding how they operate, you get all your questions answered here. As you can see, they accept transcribers from all over the world. The third on my list is a transcription site I've known for years. The payment rate is high. It's very reliable, so easy to get, as well as open worldwide. It's always employing. So you can actually send in your application right now. This is the website I'm talking about. On this platform, you earn up to $150 per month. And for top earners, you earn up to $1,200. The application process is not that difficult. They simply need to know that you are legit, because they are going to send you SMS code verifying that you are real, and they pay every week. Another thing I love so much about GoTranscript is that you get to go through the file and choose whether to work on it or not. Then most importantly is the frequently asked questions, because this covers every single thing you need to know about this platform before you put in your application. Is there vacancy? Yes, we are currently hiring. Like I said, they are always hiring. So you have higher chances of getting a job on this platform once you put in your application. You also get answers to so many other questions you may have regarding the work mode, the payment, and every other thing you want to know about this platform before you send in your application. Guess what? You can actually go in for more than one attempt. So if you put in your application right now, for any reason it was rejected, you can still reapply. I mean, that's absolutely beautiful. So yet another amazing thing about this platform is that you get to see video description of what is expected of you. It's going to tell you every single thing you need to know regarding this project. How to apply, how to do the test, how long it takes for the result to come out. Just everything you need to know about this. The last on my list is King of Transcription. Rev is the dream of every transcriber. First, they employ world over. The pay rate is very competitive. Again, you can work as a transcriber, as a captioner, and even as a subtitler. So if you have skills beyond transcription, you're bound to make a lot of money. When you work on audio or video file, you earn $1.50 per minute. Guys, $1.50 per minute working on audio file as a transcriptionist. Then for English closed captioning, you earn $500 per minute. Then for translation and subtitling, you earn up to $5 per 12 minutes. That's absolutely competitive. So once you get accepted on this platform, you are bound to get a lot of opportunities, because they have a lot of tasks waiting to be worked on. You click on this button here that says become a freelancer, and then it opens for you to put in your application. It takes 3 simple steps to get on this platform and start making money. The first one is to take a quick quiz. Yes, you need to take a transcription test. Then as a subtitler, you earn even more. You earn up to $1.50 to $3 per minute. Finally, here's the bonus I promised you. An app that will do this transcription for you. The name of this app is Otter.ai. It's very reliable. What you need to do would be to get the audio or the video file you are working on, play it while this app is on. It automatically converts the audio to text, making it as accurate as possible. But of course, you need to know that this is done by AI. So that's why you need to go through it, review it, edit it, and then perfect it before submitting it to your clients. Let me know in the comment section, which of them are you going to start with? Did you get value from this? Please give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. See you in my next video. Bye.